12 awesome crochet dog sweaters for all sizes. This pattern by Mouse and Thimble features a seamless one-piece pullover vest design with a turtleneck for quick dressing and a rolled collar for leash attachment. This pattern by Ozark Nomad is for a fun, frilly little sweater dress for your pooch. This is a crochet pattern for a dog sweater for large, extra large and extra, extra large dogs. This is a hooded baby puppy dog sweater pattern designed by Creeks and Ink, inspired by Baby Yoda and suitable for Star Wars fans. This crochet pattern by Maria's Blue Crayon is for a pullover dog sweater. It also features a custom fit tutorial to allow fitting for a dog of any size or length. This is a crochet pattern for a cozy, plush coat or dress for small dogs, specifically designed for breeds weighing 2 to 3 kilogram. This pattern by Jenny Staker Inspired is for an adorable and cozy hooded sweater. It includes 2 sizes, XS, 3 to 6 pounds, and S, 6 to 9 pounds. This pattern by Trendy Crocheting is for a dog hoodie that is described as very easy and quick to crochet. This is a stylish crochet dog sweater pattern available in sizes XS, S and M. It is designed to be worked from the neck down, all in one piece, with no sewing involved. This is a vintage PDF crochet pattern for a dog coat, designed by Heirloom Patterns. The coat is crocheted in a rib stitch and is specified to fit a medium-sized terrier. The shop Crochet Eint Creations US offers a crochet dog sweater pattern available in XXS, extra small, small, medium, large and extra large sizes, suitable for animals up to 60 pounds. The Paula's Patterns shop offers a range of dog sweater and coat patterns, which are digital PDF downloads. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.